Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down and ground yourself to avoid static damage. This matters. Once the case is open, reseat the graphics card and confirm the 6/8-pin PCIe power cable is fully connected. Loose power looks like no device. Then boot into BIOS or UEFI and check the display adapter setting. Make sure the discrete GPU is enabled or set as primary. If you have an integrated GPU, temporarily disable it to force detection of the discrete card. Once done with hardware, you move to software. Boot into Windows Safe Mode and remove existing GPU drivers. Use Device Manager or Display Driver Uninstaller for a thorough clean. Make sure to download the latest drivers from the GPU maker and perform a custom clean install so old files don't persist. After installation, reboot and open Device Manager. Click Scan for hardware changes and look for the GPU or any unknown devices. Also run Windows Update to pull any supporting Finish by updating your motherboard BIOS and chipset drivers. These often resolve enumeration issues. Reboot after each update to ensure changes take effect. If the card still doesn't appear, test it in a known good PC or try a different PCIe slot and power cable to isolate whether the GPU or system is at fault. Make sure your power supply can deliver required rails. Troubleshooting tip: if possible, swap with a working GPU to confirm hardware versus software before RMA or support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.